Welcome back, everyone. This video is going to discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention so you can understand how to complete the first assignment, your entrance ticket. So your first question for your entrance ticket is, what is a subject? And a subject in art is a lot like a noun in English, a person, place, or thing, but in art we say any person, object, or scene that's displayed in artwork. So here beneath us we have two main subjects. We have the famous artist Vincent van Gogh on the left. He is the main subject, the main person or an object in the artwork. And on the far right you have Mona Lisa, where that female figure is the main subject. So that is what a subject is. And by the way, please pause this video if you need to, rewind it so you can help refresh your memory of the answers for your entrance ticket. And lastly, our follow-up question is, how can the subjects in artwork help the narrative of the artist? What that means is, how do the subjects, the people and things that you add in your art, how do those things help to tell the story? And the answer to that, is depicted in these two pictures, is that they help sometimes tell you even the time, the place that they're in, exactly what they're doing. So your subjects basically, you want to make sure that they have some kind of action, not just an action, but where are they? Where are they in your photo? What are they doing? Even what are they wearing? How are they dressed? Just like the image on the far right here, you see this young boy and this young girl sitting at some restaurant on these stools, and you can tell their style of dress looks to be in like the mid 1900s, you know, about 70 years ago or so. And on the left here, this looks like it could be more current or modern, and they're not inside, they're outside, maybe around during the time of fall, because their clothes look a little warmer. You can see the leaves on the ground. On top of that, you can see the pumpkins that they're carving. So if I just had a person just standing with their arms at their side, just standing still and stiff, it's not going to tell me much other than, hey, there's a person there. But again, if you put the person in the context of a scene, where are they? What are they wearing? What are they doing? All of those subjects will help to tell that story. So the more details you have in your subjects, environment, the overall space of your artwork, the more clear that the story will be. And the subjects are the main key to telling that story, because they are the people, they are the storytellers themselves, and all the other details just kind of help support that story. So I hope this helped answer both your questions. Once you're done watching this video, please complete your entrance ticket and submit it for your 2 points. Make sure you answer both questions, not just the one. And then afterwards, you will watch the How to Blend Color Pencils video. And also, that video is about 10 minutes long. Please make sure you fast forward it as much as you want, much as you need. You don't need to watch the whole video. I just want you to get the concept of how the craftsmanship should look when you're adding color to your final project. All right, guys, I will see you in a bit, and I look forward to your final projects. Okay, bye, everyone.